You were good. Son of a bitch! So if she's harboring any antigens that are not part of self, what happens? Then I attack. Okay? So how would that happen? Okay? Now, suppose that tissue was transplant tissue. Well, that natural killer cell would recognize it right away and then alert the specific wing of the immunity. If that cell was infected by a virus, that viral infection changes the nature of the antigens on the surface, and it's going to be recognized at some point. Yeah.
So wait, no cells are like, in natural killer cells are like, they're everywhere?
Well, they're not everywhere, but
like on our body?
They're within your bloodstream.
Okay.
And they travel from tissue to tissue, simply checking to make sure that you have the right markers.
And they do that like 24/7?
Yeah, that's their only job.
All right.
Okay? Now, so MHC markers, MHC1, are present on all nucleated cells. These MHC molecules identify us as being us. MHC2 are only found on a certain group of cells called antigen-presenting cells. The antigen-presenting cells, and you have to commit this to memory, it's not hard, are macrophages, dendritic cells, and B lymphocytes. Now, these antigen-presenting cells are APCs. They have MHC1 antigens on their surface, but they also possess MHC2. What's an example of a dendritic cell? The term dendritic means that they have these kind of long cell processes like this. Okay? A type of dendritic cell, for instance, is a Langerhans cell in the epidermis. Okay? They function much the same, but they look different from macrophages. In other words, they're capable of engulfing foreign material and processing it, but they have a different physical appearance. So these are cells that are capable of recognizing foreign particles and presenting those foreign antigens to our immune system. Macrophages, B lymphocytes, all three have that capacity. They all three have MHC2 receptors. Okay? Now, when these MHC2 molecules present those processed antigens to the immune system, the type of cells they present those antigens to are called helper T cells. There's more than one type of or subtype of T cells. So in initiating an immune response, what has to happen is that one of these antigen-presenting cells has to present the antigen to a helper T cell. And that's going to trigger activation of the immune system. Okay. Now, I think what I'm going to do at this point is simply stop. Okay? I need to kind of get everything ready for the AMP1 practical. So I'll stop here, and it'll be easy to finish up the immune system on Friday.